Good morning, good afternoon, or good night. What's up? It's your boy, Andrew Tremendous Jones here. Guys, it's been a while, man. It's been a while, but listen, I'm back like I never left. Okay, I got some time off, so I'm like, hey, listen, I'm gonna catch up with y'all, let you all know what I've been up to. A lot has happened since we last connected. Listen, if you're new here, my name is Andrew Tremendous Jones. I'm from Toronto, Canada. I teach people how to drop service, okay? How to be the middleman and sell stuff like logo design, web design, and hire outsourcers to do the job. But today, I am coming to you with something brand new within the entire process. As we know, AI has been taken over, okay? But yeah, listen, hi. I it's great to reconnect. Okay, I'm gonna start doing more videos for you guys. A lot has happened in the world since we last connected. I think they re-elected some man with orange hair, or something like that. Someone told me. Okay, the Toronto Raptors won finally a championship. What else happened? I think they sent a bunch of women up in space in some weird-looking object. Did you guys see that? Man, listen, a lot has happened, but listen, we gonna dive in, okay? Because listen, AI, as you know, has been changing the entire game. And when I made that last course there, I just found AI, okay? So I was using it, but not to its full potential. But now I've been using it times a million. I'm sure you have too. If you haven't, where you been? What rock you wonder? Okay, but I'm going to show you guys how I've been using it to completely, basically, fire my suppliers over on Fiverr, and how through one or two prompts I can fulfill the order for my customers in any niche. Okay, 100%. Therefore, keeping 100% of the money where in my pockets. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to talk to AI. Okay, I have my Chromebook and I'm going to talk to AI. Okay, I use Grok or Grok, whatever you want to call it, right? That is on X, formerly known as Twitter, which is weird. But anyways, I use it because it's strategy based. Okay, later I'll let you guys know about the different type of AI tools and what their functionalities are and whatnot. Because I've dived in, like no sleep, dived into all the tools. So I'm gonna hook you guys up. Okay, so I'm gonna use AI right now to build me a logo design agency where I'm using AI to fulfill the orders. Okay, so let's start from scratch here. Okay, let's go. Hey, how you doing? I said, hey, hello, how are you doing?
I'm great, thanks. How about you?
I'm fantastic, fantastic. It's a great morning. But listen, I woke up and I thought today I might start a logo design agency. And I want you to help me with that. And with this logo design agency, I'm going to be using AI itself to render or to fulfill a lot of the orders that I get. Okay, so I want you to help me through that process. Is that cool?
That sounds awesome. Yeah, totally cool. I love helping with big ideas like this. Let's break it down. First, what kind of logos are you thinking? Minimalist, bold, industry specific? And how do you want the AI part to work? Like generating drafts from client briefs or something else?
Well, I want them to be minimalistic, modern, maybe even, some 3D logos, some fun cartoonish looking ones, some characteristic looking ones, etc. And I just want to take the concept that the customer has, okay, and then I want to be able to plug that into an AI tool, um, and maybe even add another prompt to it to fulfill the order. Okay, so what kind of tools can I use to do that?
Here are the best AI logo tools that actually work great right now for pumping out minimalistic,
Write this
modern.
down. Sorry, I wasn't talking to you. I was talking to my audience. Keep going.
No worries. So Kittl lets you tweak colors, fonts, even fake 3D drop shadows with one click. Super beginner friendly. Then there's Looka, which spits out dozens of options from a single keyword prompt, like minimalist text startup, and it'll auto pick fonts that look sharp. If you want true 3D renders, grab Adobe Express. Plug in your text, hit image gen, say isometric 3D logo, glossy black, and boom, you've got something photoreal. And for cartoonish stuff, Midjourney in Discord. Type plus image prompt, cute fox mascot logo, flat vector style. Works every time. Just upscale the winner and vectorize with vectorizer.io. Pick two of those, mash them together. You'll
Okay.
cover every.
Okay,
You're too.
I get it. Sorry to cut you off, but not really sorry because you have no feelings. Um, but listen, so I get it. Okay. So help me with the name of a logo design agency. I'm not picky. Okay. And also I need a website. So, and I don't know how to build any websites. I don't know nothing. Okay. So, are there any AI website tools out there that I could use to just build my web design? Sorry, build my logo design agency with?
Haha, zero feelings, zero offense taken. Let's get you rolling. Agency name ideas. Short, modern, AI vibe, available.com as of this morning. Logo Forge AI, Pixel Pulse Studio, Brand Spark AI, Logo Loom, Neon Mark, Vibecraft Logos, Instant Crest, Glyph Genius, Mark Melt, Orabit Studio. My favorites are Logo Forge AI, Glyph Genius, or Mark Melt.
No,
They
no,
sound.
no, 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 no. What I'm asking you for is I want to build a website. Okay. So what are there? What are, I guess, what are the companies out there that I could use that are AI based that I could build a website?
Here are the absolute easiest, fully AI first website builders that literally build the whole site for you in under 5 minutes. No coding, no hassle. 1. 10 Web AI. Type AI powered logo design agency. Minimalist, black and white. It generates a full multi page site. Home, services,
Okay. Okay, cool. So I got that. That's what's up. Again, sorry, not sorry to cut you off. So listen, I want to start selling my logos the minimum at like $300. Okay. It comes with a vector file. It comes with social media banners. It may even come with like a whole media kit. Okay. But that's the basic $300. How would I build a logo design agency using AI as fulfillment, but build that up and scale it up to where I'm making at least $7,000 per month?
Here's the dead simple playbook that's working right now for AI only logo agencies, hitting 5 to 10K a month in under 90 days. 1. Price it right from day one. Basic, $299, 3 concepts plus final vector plus social kit. Pro, $499, unlimited concepts, 3D mockup, full brand kit. Premium, $799. Everything plus favicon, an animated logo, plus one revision round forever. People pay $300 plus when it feels premium. Don't undercut. 2. Get your first 10 clients in the next 2 weeks. Zero ad spend. Post 5 AI logos every day on TikTok, Instagram Reels, and X with the caption, your logo in 24 hours or it's free. DM me. Use the exact hook. I built 100% with AI, delivered in 24 hours, starting at $299. Join 5 Facebook groups a day, entrepreneur ride along, startup ideas, etc. And drop value posts plus soft offer. Cold DM 50 new startups on LinkedIn daily with a free mockup. Takes 10 minutes with Midjourney plus Canva. 3. Automate fulfillment so you only spend 10 minutes per order. Client brief. Chatbot GPT rewrites it into a perfect Midjourney Kittle prompt. Generate 10 options. Pick top 3. Upscale plus vectorize. Vectorize.ai. Drop
Okay.
into pre.
Okay. Anyways, listen. Um, that's cool. That's awesome. Can't believe I cut you off and you're telling me how to make $7,000. I must be stupid, but no. Truth is, I'm hungry. I just made some breakfast, some plantain, and us Jamaicans, we love our plantain, right? I can't let it go cold. And I got to finish up this video, but thank you. I'll get with you later. All right.
Enjoy the plantain, tremendous. Talk later.
Yo, how insane is that? How insane that that is insane. That is crazy. Okay, like what's crazy is that I'm Jamaican, so we call what everyone else calls plantain. We call it plantain, right? And they were still able to pick that up. That's insane. That is insane. So listen, AI can build you the strategy, the lead generation strategy. Okay, because that's a major problem. Is how we gonna get leads? How we gonna get customers? Before we were doing classified ads, etc. Nonsense. Now, not only can you use the strategy that it gives you, but there's actual AI lead generation tools out there to automate outreach for you, But if you want to scale, you got to put some work in. All right. So listen, look out for the next video. I'm going to do this for different agencies, for different niches. So like app development, web design, etc., etc. It's all one click away, guys. All right. Peace and love, man. I think my plantain getting real cold now.